Here we have a 2017 17-plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now we do have the blacked out styling, so we do have the black window trim with privacy glass on the rear. Now, we do also have front and rear parking sensors. We do have dual X exhaust flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now that M kit rear does make this car stand out from the rest, especially with that rear boot spoiler. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. There's another close-up look at another alloy wheel. Now, if you go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now, as you can see throughout, we do have full Dakota leather with isofix points, pull down leather armrest just in the centre. You also have your vents in the centre just down there as well. Now, on the doors you get your electric windows, BMW individual trim with your piano black gloss black trim, and also your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is also heated, just like the passenger front seat. On the doors you get your electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon speakers just up there as well. Now on the inside just there you do have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do also have your keyless start, and the vehicle will then start. Now you do also have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode. You also have cruise control and speed limiter just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 51,660 miles. Now on the right hand stalk we do have your auto wipers, and on the left hand stalk you do also have your auto high beam assist. As you can see just over there you do have your heads up display, which is a very nice addition to have on this vehicle. Coming to the centre we do have the satellite navigation screen. We can also find your media connectivity, so you do have DAB radio, FM, AM, online entertainment, music collection, AUX, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. Now you also have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Pop the car into reverse, you can see front and rear parking sensors just there. Coming back off that you do have different drive modes, so you do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Coming down here to the dual zone climate control, as you can see it works exactly how you would expect it to, with 2 heated front seats, again they work exactly how you would expect them to, as you can see just there. Coming down here you do have your storage tray, pop this open, you have 2 nice size coupled to 12 volt connectivity, traction control on and off as well as your drive mode, select on your parking sensors, and this is what you use to control everything happens on your screen. Soft touch leather armrest that moves forwards and back to suit your driving position, and there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended 5 sport just like the driver's. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.